A truck accident happened on January 13, 2026, along Almonaster Avenue in New Orleans. Officials say a dump truck going westbound crashed into the back of a disabled SUV near Jourdan Road and I-10. A woman in the SUV was killed and 2 others were injured. Authorities are still investigating the crash.